So welcome back to another edition of Cooking with Jimbo. Tonight I'm doing, I'm going to be doing my pan-seared chicken breast stuffed with, they're pan-seared with thyme, rosemary, garlic, and onions, and they're going to be stuffed with pastrami, bruschetta jack. I'm throwing some sharp cheddar in there, and I got chopped onions, pastrami, and there's dried cranberries in there. It's going to be badass. And this is what I'm going to cook it in. Anyways, yeah, I'm redoing the MasterChef audition menu. And actually, it's going to be a lot better than when I first made it. I mean, they asked me, it's like, at the end, how many years have you been making? I said, 1 day. They're like, huh? Really? Yeah, really. Cooking with Jimbo. Ha. Alright, let's check it out. Welcome back. So right now, I've got the breast searing right now. You get a little golden brown. On the other side, I'll make them a little bit browner. And then all what I'll do is I'll let them cool down. Then I'll butterfly them up and I'll stuff them with this bad boy stuff here. Boom! And some bruschetta and some sharp cheddar. There you go. Cooking with Jimbo. Alright, let's check it out. We're back. What I did is I sauteed, I pan-seared the breasts, and I butterflied them open and I stuffed them with my stuffing. I don't know if you've been paying attention, but yeah, that one looks really good over there. I kind of got a little, I might stuff that one a little bit more because it looks a little bit shy. And I got my rice going on, and I got my green beans and my carrots going on as well. And then I'll pop this in the oven for about 25 minutes on 350. I put a little bit of olive oil over the top because you don't want your breast getting all dried out, then it's no good. Alright? Cooking with Jimbo. Alright, let's check it out. We are done, man. Cooked these. They came out really good. I stuffed them some more. Take the toothpicks out, obviously. I'm not going to eat, I mean, these are leftovers. And here we go. Plated. That's right. Got your pan-seared stuffed chicken breast. Pastrami. Cranberry. Crushed almonds. Onions. You name it, it's in there. Boom! Over a bed of herb and garlic rice. And you got your, got your baby carrots and your green beans, fresh green beans. There you go. Cooking with Jimbo. Hashtag CWJ. Cooking with Jimbo on Facebook. All right, bon appetit. It's time to crunch. Good night. Catch you on the next one. Bye.